Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple voting application for your Laravel website. I do get a lot of requests on how to set up a Laravel local build environment, so we're going to go ahead and start with that. If you've already got your local environment set up, you can go ahead and skip this video. But to get started, we're going to first get our prerequisites. We're going to be using Visual Studio Code, set up a local Wamp server. We're going to use git bash for our VScode terminal, and we're going to use Composer. First, we're going to start by downloading VScode. I've already downloaded all this, so I'll go ahead and cancel on my side. You can get the download here. Takes you to SourceForge. For git bash, just go to Windows. I'll be using the 64-bit version. And Composer, you just click download and run composer.exe. Alright, first let's start by installing VScode. Pretty much use all default settings so far. Now we'll go ahead and install Git. We'll be using the Unix tools for the command prompt setting. Everything else just leave default. Alright, go ahead and finish that. Next we'll install our Wamp server. I'll be using all default settings here. While that installs, let's go ahead and open up our Visual Studio Code. Let's check our terminal. You see here that our terminal is using PowerShell and not Bash right now. So we're going to go ahead and go into File, Preferences, Settings. Should take you here. Let's get it that way. Go to Features, Terminal, come down to Edit in Settings JSON. And now let's go over to this and what should we Google? Let's Google VScode install bash. That will give us this link right here. Scroll down. This line right here, get bash terminal integration shell. Then we'll just paste that between the brackets here. Save that. Go ahead and restart our VScode. Let's go to terminal, new terminal, and now you can see that it's using bash. Let's check what our setup's doing. Do you want to change the browser? No. No. While Wamp does that, let's go ahead and install Composer. All default settings are fine. Alright, Wamp is done. Finish. Let's go ahead and start our Wamp server. Alright, Wamp is started. Now, let's go ahead and find our Wamp directory. It's going to be in C drive, Wamp64, www. This is where we want to go. So we're going to go cd Wamp64 cd www. Alright. And then we're going to use Composer create project Laravel vote app. That's going to take a little bit to download and install Laravel. So let's go ahead and set up our local environment in Wamp. Go to your local host, virtual host management. Now, you'll be installing right here. So we're going to take that, paste it here. It needs to be in the public folder. So we'll add that. No, excuse me, that needs to be in this line. This will be the name. We'll do vote app.local. This will be the link that you can type in your browser to open up the local website. And I think that's good. Let's start local creation. Let's go ahead and restart Wamp. Let's go in there and make sure that's up. Alright, looks good. Now we just wait for Laravel to finish installing. Alright, Laravel has finished installing. Let's go into our browser and make sure that our local setup works. Vote app.local. Alright, that's working correctly. Let's go ahead and open it up in VScode. Let's see. Alright, before we get started, let's also go ahead and install Laravel auth. Do that by opening up our terminal again. And we'll go PHP artisan make auth. Alright, let's check the website. Alright, you can see now it has the login on the background. Now we've got our full Laravel starter template that we'll be able to build our voting application on top of. In our next video, we'll be setting up our controllers and our database migrations. If you guys like my videos, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below.